Welcome to my newest version of my cars from MCLA. First, I am going to change this car. I'm gonna get out of this. I'll show you what that one is in a minute. I need to change my vehicles. Yes. Okay. Alright. First one is obviously a beautiful Lamborghini Murcielago. Custom designed. Built to my liking. Up here, got it. Lamborghini. Oh, and BTW, by the way. My camera reads everything backwards. So, what I'm looking at says Lamborghini. What you're probably looking at says something completely different, probably in gibberish. Yeah. While fixing up the license plate to get it to look like it's a South Carolina license plate, if you read it backwards, the letters say CVS. I didn't notice it until I was driving. Alright, so you've seen this car. The interior is completely black. White neon. No body work done to the outside, except for the headlights and the taillights. Alright, we'll show you my other one, my next one. This one, I'm absolutely in love with this car. I love this one. Again, no body work was done to it. Part of the interior is white. Some parts anyway. It's not a baby blue, but it's like a Florida tropical blue, kinda. Very beautiful car. Very low to the ground too. Nice I-forged rims. Really cool headlights. Again, no body work except for headlights and taillights. Again, while fixing the license plate to look like a South Carolina plate that says SVU. If you just read it backwards, if you look at it, where's my finger? If you read it this way, shit, I'm not going anywhere. If you read it this way, SVU 471. If you read it that way, you'll see. Enough with the back. Very beautiful car. I love this one a lot. I love driving it. The only problem is when you're online and you go on System Link, or when you race a bunch of people, you don't have the cheat code set up, and you can't have unlimited you can't have NOS, unlimited NOS, no damage to the car, which that sucks. But alright, this is the last Lamborghini. This one is, I've not finished it yet, but those of you who know me on YouTube, I have a one letter and a bunch of numbers as my handle, as my YouTube channel name. So I go by code name. And some of the cars that I have say what they'll say CNC, codename customs. This one here is from CNC. It's kind of I guess a group I'm gonna start once I have online set up. Here, this is Lamborghini with the orange right there. Really cool wheels. I forget the name of these. But you know, if you guys have, if anyone watching this has Midnight Club, you'll know what they are. Taillights, haven't done anything to the taillights. Completely redesigned the back here. Looks really cool. I haven't finished it yet. It still has a California plate. The interior is pretty neat. I'll show you the inside. I keep hitting the wrong button. The inside here, I'll try to look around in there for you. If you can see, you know, it's orange speakers, orange around the AC blower thingies. Guys, I can't think today. Momo steering wheel. Nothing really. I guess it's pretty much it. I mean, the car isn't done, but that's the idea so far. I still have to do all the engine work, which shouldn't be a big deal. But yeah, it's a very nice car. I like this one just as much, but that blue one I really like the most. And I'll show you the other car in just a second. I'm going to drive this thing up to... I'm going the wrong way, I just realized that. Alright, you know, we're just going to take it out into the middle of the highway. Alright, last car is 2006 Saleen S7. It's a metallic white. Now let's get this thing in the sun here so you can see it better. It's a metallic white. It shines really bright. I guess, yeah, some iForged rims with the back of the rims were painted black. Blue neon, wide body kit. I don't know if this car will be part of CNC Custom or CNC, but yeah, that should it should though. Very, very nice car. Excuse me. Yeah. Let's take this one out for a spin. Whoa. By the way, if you make the wheels really big, it makes it really hard to turn. Or it's like turning it at a bus, like the controller, it all doesn't correspond with the way you turn. Meaning that like you tap the trigger to turn and it turns after. So I kind of have to time it all right to make it perfect. This thing goes like super fast too. It's going on already 210. I've gotten the fastest I've ever gotten this car to go was like 216, 215. I've gotten my Lamborghinis to go almost 300 miles per hour. And sorry about the background noise, that's my grandmother in the kitchen. But, whoa. Man, am I glad I know how to drive. But yes, this is a very cool car. It's way too low to the ground, which I like cars that are low to the ground, but when it comes to cars like these, they shouldn't be, because it'll just completely tear up the car. I better get out of the way, cause but yeah, I like this one the most, only because of the design, the bodywork. I admire the outside. already just started driving. I'm already going almost 220, 225, 230, 232. Ah, I hit a car, crap. Alright, we'll drive this one. This one, I don't think I should ever get rid of this one. Only because this is the car that bought me all the other cars that I have. I mean, I have altogether. I mean, I bought enough Lamborghinis to get me at least $3 to $4 million if you add them all up together. I eventually came across $1 million, and I spent most of that on the gray and orange Lamborghini and the Saleen S7. I bought a Mitsubishi Eclipse last night and tried to customize it, and I failed. Just failed completely at trying to redesign it. So I sold it, and now I don't have a whole lot of money left. So I might start racing, or I just might sell the Saleen to get some money back. But yeah, I don't think I'm ever gonna get rid of this car. One, because it's the one that bought me all the others. Two, it's a very nice car and very hard to drive. I'm about to trash it, I think. Oh, yeah. Beautiful front flip. Alright, for those who've watched, thank you. Comment, rate, subscribe, you know the deal. Thanks.